Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Before we jump into my SHEIN summer haul, I want to talk about my 2 fragrances of the month that I have from Dossier. Like I told you in my previous video, I am doing a 3-month collaboration with Dossier, so yay! I actually really love Dossier fragrances. I can't wait to show y'all these 2 fragrances that I have for this month. So one is a perfume and one is a cologne. So like I told you guys, if you're not familiar with Dossier, Dossier is a fragrance company that sells replicas or dupes of high-end fragrances for a fraction of the price. It smells just like the original fragrances, but you will pay nowhere near the price of the original fragrances. So if you're a girl like me who like to save a coin or two on certain things, I would say go ahead and check this out. Girl or guy, they have perfumes, colognes, and unisex fragrances. So if you have not tried Dossier, go ahead and get your hand on it. If you want to order it today, you can go ahead and use my coupon code to get 10% off. It's Amia, A-M-I-A 10. You could use my coupon code in conjunction with, if they have a sale, you can still use my 10% off coupon code to get an extra 10% off your whole purchase. So okay, let's go ahead and jump into my fragrances. So the first one I'm going to share with you, I never even smelled this one before. My boyfriend, he picked it out. I asked him to go ahead and look on the site and see what fragrances you think I would like. I haven't even smelled it before. I ordered it from Dossier. But as always, I ran to Nordstrom's and I went and smelled the original one. Let me show y'all what I have. So, Dossier's Powdery Hawthorn. This is a dupe for Tom Ford's Metallique. Some of the notes are orange blossom, hawthorn, vanilla. This one, surprisingly, it came with a mini tester. Dossier is going for a more green approach, so they're phasing out the plastic, so you might not receive a miniature fragrance, so that's fine. You could go ahead and try on the original big bottle, and if you don't like it, you can still ship it back and get your money back.
Are you serious?
Let's try that again. I'm so silly, y'all. That, you know, that's so like me. I'm sorry, but I am silly. Girl, if Powder had a grown-up sister or Powder has a mother, this is what it is. I'm telling you. And then it smells like, what the word is, metallic powder mixed together. The original name is Metallique, and Dossier name has powder in it, so it smells like metallic powder. I never smelled anything like this before in my life. And my boyfriend picked this out for me. My baby know what I like. He know. He got a good nose. He knows. I was going to wear something else today, but you know what? I'm going to put this on today. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It smells elegant, grown, but the powder has a little fun to it, you know? It's not so snooty. Oh my goodness, I never smelled anything like this before in my life. Woo! Next fragrance is a cologne. So my boyfriend picked this one out. Dossier's Woody Sandalwood. Inspired by Labo. It's French, so excuse me if it don't sound as cute as the French would pronounce it. Labo. I tried. Okay, so some of these notes are cardamom. Love cardamom. It's musk, sandalwood, amber, cedarwood. So let's go ahead on and do a spray. This is different. I can smell pepper in here. Definitely different. It's peppery, but it's not too strong. Like I said, don't listen to anybody. Wear your fragrance all year long if you want, but this is giving me a little of a fall winter smell to me. But wear whenever you want to, because I know I do. This is not anything that I've smelled my boyfriend wear before. He likes more woodsy, strong fragrances. This is not light, but it's peppery. I like it. It smells real mature. This is giving me a date night, just finished shaving. You want to put a little cologne on. Let's run out on a night of town. Again, I am working with Dossier for 3 months. I'm so excited to be working with Dossier. If you can't tell by now, I absolutely love my Dossier fragrances. I wear them all the time. I even brought some for family members and used my 10% off coupon code when I did it. It's Amia 10, AMIA 10. So don't forget to use your 10% off coupon code if you want to purchase from Dossier. Let's go ahead and jump into this summer try-on haul. Today I'm in a different setting. I'm in my bedroom. I just did my try-on haul for you guys. Almost all my items I got from SHEIN. I'll have a split screen right here to show y'all the items as I talk about them. I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on my hair too to show y'all how I did my hair. But anyway, let's go ahead into the items. Most of the items are dresses. So I'm gonna talk about this dress that I have on right now. So this dress, I'm gonna put the sizes and the prices on the screen too as well. This dress feels so freaking good. For it to be, I think it was $8. The material is really soft cotton, and it's really long, but it's lightweight. It's not cheap material either. SHEIN has some great pieces. I love how this dress feels. That I'm actually going to wear it today. And I'm gonna grab my little Telfar bag. Let me show y'all this one. I haven't been wearing my bags too much, but I'm gonna wear my little brown, what's it called, brown? Tan. My little shopping bag, Telfar shopping bag with this today. Next dress I'm going to show you is, so this dress, oh my gosh, it's like satin, but it's a thicker material satin. It feels so good. And it has a split up the thigh area, not too high, but a split on the side, and buttons coming down on the right side, and on the left side it is a zipper. I did get this in a large, and because my tatas are a little bigger, the cow neck area, or whatever you want to call this part right here, the hanging area, is not hanging as much as it's supposed to, because my boobies made it stay in place, but it's supposed to have like a little hangage in the front area. I love this dress, and I'm glad I got it in a green. This green is so freaking pretty. I think I'm going to wear this dress to the first wedding I'm attending this summer. Oh my gosh. This green is so freaking pretty. The buttons down the side and a little split. Great material. SHEIN has some great items on here. My other dress. So I purchased this dress to wear first to the first wedding I'm attending, but I did not know this dress was going to be so, great quality. It has like a slip on the inside, stitched inside. So this dress is really thick. I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to sit there and pass out. I don't know if I'm going to wear it, because it comes all the way up to my neck area, and it's off the shoulders, both sides. But it's really long and flowy. It does have a split, but it's a lot of material, which is great, but I don't want to burn up at the wedding. Okay, next item is this little two-piece that I'm going to show you how you can wear it 3 different ways. On the top, there's a little tube top, and it has straps where you can tie it on the top, like little knots or bows. Cute. And then the skirt is a longer skirt with a flowy bottom, like a tube skirt at the top and flowy at the bottom, and it has buttons coming down the middle. So you could wear it either, you could wear these with the straps tied like I said, or you could tuck the straps in, as you can see over here. You could tuck the straps in, or you could not wear this top at all and slide the tube skirt all the way up and wear it as an actual dress. This would be a little shorter dress. So 3 different ways you can wear this 2-piece skirt situation. Let me tell you, none of my videos are sponsored from SHEIN, but SHEIN, if you're watching, feel free to hit me up, because I will do a sponsored video, because I genuinely wear their clothes. The material is great quality for the actual price. This shirt right here, I was looking for an off the shoulder like shirt. Summertime, I like to tube tie spaghetti strap shirts, things like that, but sometimes if I'm going out at night, it might be a little cooler. So I'm like, okay, I wanted an off-the-shoulder shirt, but with a little something going on over here. So this was exactly what I was looking for. One long sleeve shirt, and it has this little detail on the shoulder part. So pretty. And the material is polyester. I love polyester because you can wash it as much as you want and it won't fade and it won't attract any hairs, because I have a cat, so I won't attract any of his little hairs on my clothing. But the color, I'm gonna look what it say online what the color is, because it's giving me gray or purplish color, but whatever it is, it's so freaking pretty. I love this. And that's all for SHEIN. As far as the clothing, the jeans I'm wearing, they are my boyfriend jeans I got from Forever 21 a few years ago. So you could buy any, you know, ripped up jeans or even cut up your own jeans and make this look. The next shirt is an off the shoulder shirt, and I got this from Forever 21 a couple years ago. I just never wore it. I don't know why, I just didn't. The sandals, I got those from H&M. Color lime green situation, nice and bright. Fun for the summer. I love it. And I paired that with white purse I got from SHEIN. Isn't this thing just the cutest? So this strap didn't come with it. I got the strap off of Amazon to go with another purse. I didn't like it on that purse, so I just put it on here. White belt I got from Forever 21. I got this purse from Target. So I said, okay, it's not an exact match as far as the greens, but everything doesn't have to be matchy. I think it would look really pretty if I would have paired, and this was on sale for $17 at Target. That is it for this haul. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what items are your favorite. Have you tried anything from SHEIN? What do you think about the quality of their clothing? I mean, let me know. What pieces do you like the best that I had on today? I want to say I like every last item. Like I said, I'm wearing this dress today, and I will be wearing all my other items if I haven't already worn by this video. So thank you for watching as always. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.